Okay, we're going to start our first subtraction example. So I'm going to show you how you can think about using these chips to solve your subtraction problems. So for this activity, the green chips are going to be positive, so they're going to be worth 1 positive, and the red chips are going to be worth 1 negative. Okay, so problem number 1 is the one that I'm going to do for you, or we're going to do together. So it says positive 3 minus positive 7. So I'm going to click and drag 3 positive chips onto my mat. 2 and 3. Now, if I were to try and take 7 chips away, the third one. If I were to try to subtract 7 positives from here, I cannot do that because I only have 3 positives. So I need to think of a solution for a way that I could get some more positive chips on this mat without changing the value. So the current value right now is positive 3. The value needs to stay positive 3. One idea of what we could do would be to make 0 pairs, right? If I were to take 1 green chip and 1 red chip and put them on my mat, it would still keep the value the same because this is technically worth 0, and 1 negative plus 1 positive is 0. So that's 0, 0, 0. Oops, put that back. 0. Each of these are worth 0 because they technically cancel each other out, or they become 0 because you have 1 negative and 1 positive. So the value of what is on my mat right now is still positive 3 because we have 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So that's 1, 2, 3. We've got 3, and these are all worth 0. But this helps us because now I can actually take my 7 positives away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and take away 7 of my positives. So basically you just add 0 pairs until you have enough to take everything you need to away. So I'm going to take my 7 positives away. So I'm actually going to select a couple of them at a time. So that's 2 positives, 3 positives, and I'm going to discard them. 4, 5, 6, 7. So that was positive 3, take away positive 7, or 3 positives, take away 7 positives. What do I have left on my mat? Do I have negative chips or positive chips? How many are there? You should have said there are negative 4 chips, or 4 negatives. So the solution to this problem is negative 4. Okay, thinking about that same idea, your job now is to use the positive and negative chips on your mat, create this expression, and solve. Once you are done, make sure that you put your solution in the yellow box because this will be graded later.